So a lot of people ask me, what kind of color should I paint my walls, right? Well, I mean, if you want to have a modern look of your house, then I would say like some light gray. It's very, very trendy right now. But if you want to just do it all white, cannot go wrong. But the key point here is to make all the walls everywhere in the same color, because the continuation of all these colors into, in one color in all these walls, it creates the continuation of all the walls, and it makes the house look wider, bigger, and also more spacious. The second thing that you want to invest is on the flooring, because flooring actually creates a huge visual impact as well. Now, if you have any like carpet or something like that, just remove them all and make it into a hardwood floor. Or even better, sometimes you can just make it into like pre-engineering hardwood. Because pre-engineering hardwood, it looks modern, they're actually wider, and it comes with a whole bunch of different color and styles. But one thing to be concerned is that your flooring has to match with the stairs and with the handrails and everything, right? So because for some of these older houses, where you have some like yellowish color on your stairs, then it will be really hard to match with this modern pre-engineering hardwood. If you were to change them, you gotta like change them all. And if you change the stairs, it makes much more sense to make it, to install iron pickets. Iron pickets is actually much more modern, it looks more solid and much more upgraded. Ceilings are very important. A lot of older houses, they have like stucco ceilings, and they look, very old style. If you smooth out all the ceilings, make into like smooth ceilings throughout, and then you add like pot lights on it, it looks that the ceiling height is higher and it's brighter and it's much more modern. Countertops, it's very, very essential. And let's say if you have like vinyl countertops in the kitchen or the bathroom, change it into like quartz, because quartz comes in very, very stylish, and it has a different color, different styles to match your kitchen and your bathrooms. And I think it's very worth it to spend some money in countertops. But if you have older appliances, I think it might be worth it to change into like stainless steel appliances that are much more modern, and it looks more, upgraded. Because appliances, you use them daily, right? So if you have like those white appliances and they're very old and very dirty, spend some money and change into like some newer ones. It looks way better with the whole design of the kitchen. While there's a lot of different type of renovations that you can spend to add on the value of your house, there are certain renovations that are actually cheaper, and it brings a lot of impact when you sell your house. So the first thing you want to do is to change all these old light fixtures, right, into some modern ones. Because when someone walks into the house and then they turn on the lights, it's gonna catch their attention. So if you change all these lightings into like modern ones, it's gonna reflect that the house, it's brighter, it's newer, and it's much more modern. So light fixtures aren't very expensive, but yet it creates a very, very big visual impact. Well, you can do a whole bunch of other renovations, but you always have to be very careful on the money that you spend, because you want to make sure that the money that you spend on renovations, you can get it back at the sale of the property. Now, at home staging, it's very useful because it could be as good as in doing renovation for the house. If you want other home selling tips, subscribe to my channel or call me. This is Leo Xiu from Superstars Realty.